mag pur ka gikale lony manyasani gigo ma oting'o nyaka pur kaluwe mago lo mantiere kod kwiri. Wawinjane kaka twak dhi nyime e kaunti no ma Siaya kotenore kod gigo makamago mawacho ni en pur makare mano moting'o mago lo man kod acid.
We have majorly focused on the food security, issues of production and productivity, issues of technology acceptance, because there is a low uptake of technology. That is normal with farmers, but we have really emphasized on that. This document has mapped all the soils in different sub-counties and different wards. We are going to use this document now to look at areas where we should concentrate more than the other areas. More so like the areas we are mentioning, we are going to sample the soils, and now, because we have now a lab, the Department of Agriculture has come up with a lab, soil testing lab, which is complete now. This soil lab is going to help us to analyze the soil, not like before when we have been taking soil to different labs and very far places.
Having identified the key challenges, then goes ahead to propose interventions. It is these interventions that we are going to work around. The activities intended to address food security will be drawn from the interventions already proposed. If at all we are to craft a program that addresses food security, it will draw inspiration from the main policy. So I see the policy as